In this video, we are going to see the ability of our JetBot using Jetson Orin Nano to follow the road. We are going to load our train model by loading the default ResNet 18 and update the last layer. And then we'll load it with our trained weights. The model will be transferred to GPU and keep it in evaluation mode. In this cell, we are going to initialize functions to pre-process image coming from the camera, and then we'll initialize our camera and creating wedges for image coming from the JetBot, and we initialize robot instances for our JetBot to control the motors. There will also be sliders to control different parameters to ensure our JetBots are following the road, starting with the speed, steering gain, or even steering bias. And we could also add KD to have PD control to our motor. We have also sliders to monitor speed, X and Y value, and slider for the steering. And this is the main cell. For each image coming from the camera will be passed through the model to obtain the value of X and Y, and will be used to calculate the direction or the angle of a vector from origin to XY, and will be used to calculate the PD based on choose steering gain and update motor speeds accordingly. And to start our model, our demo, we will observe our camera and display all the wedges together, and could create a new view for our GUI, so we can see all our wedges here. And let's reset this camera so you can see both. Now we could start by increasing our motor speed. You see, now our JetBot start to move and it's following the road. You can see here, this is the camera of the JetBot, and here you can see the X and Y value. So let's increase the speed. Let's see. We can see that our JetBot are accurately following the road. See. You can see here, it's following the road correctly. And we could try at the maximum speed and see what will happen. You see in the maximum speed it shoots outside the road a little bit. You can see again here. You see it's going outside, so let's increase the steering gain a little bit. You see now it's correcting its location. You see it's and as we see that our JetBot is correctly following the road, let's try with the TensorRT model. Let's stop this one. Let's see the demo for the TensorRT. We run all the cells to initialize the model, the camera, wedges. And now after observing our camera, let's make it in a new view. Get this one. Let's start by increasing the speed and see. Now we are using our TensorRT model. You can see it's also correctly can follow the road. And with this two demo, we are going to reach to the end of our series for road following videos. Now we need to stop our motor. Let's by reducing the speed. Let's go this one. And observe the camera, stop the robot, and stop our camera. And thank you.